Carrots, bananas, and celery too. We love to eat healthy snacks. Uh-oh. What's the matter, Phineas and Ferb? Oh, hi, Candace. We were singing a song about healthy snacks, but then we realized that something doesn't belong. Can you help us? Sure. Will you help Phineas and Ferb figure out which fruit and vegetable doesn't belong? You will? Great. So let's see. There are 3 blueberries, 3 strawberries, and 1 banana. Which one doesn't belong? That one, the banana. Oh, of course. The banana is the only fruit with one thing, while the blueberries and the strawberries are in groups of 3, so the banana doesn't belong. Ooh! Thank you. Alright, Ferb. Let's sing again. Healthy snacks, healthy snacks. We love to eat yum healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too. Uh-oh. What's wrong now? Something doesn't belong again. Oh. Can you help us again, Candace? Sure. Are you ready to help again? Great. So let's see. We have a broccoli, a cabbage, and a carrot. Which one doesn't belong this time? The carrot. Right, the carrot. Because a carrot is an orange vegetable. And the broccoli and the cabbage are green vegetables. So the carrot doesn't belong. Woohoo! We did it again. Healthy snacks, healthy snacks. We love to eat yum healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too. Uh-oh. Something doesn't belong again? Yep. Can you help us? Are you ready to help again? Cool. So let's see. We have an orange, a pear, a celery, and a watermelon. Which one doesn't belong? The celery. Right, because a celery is a vegetable, while the other 3 are fruits. Good job. Alright, Ferb. I think we're ready to sing the song once more. Healthy snacks, healthy snacks. We love to eat yum healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too. We love to eat healthy snacks, don't you? Healthy snacks, healthy snacks. I love to eat yum healthy snacks. Carrots, bananas, and celery too. I love to eat healthy snacks. Achoo! Don't you? Hey, look, girls. It's a patient. Patient? Yeah. Come over here, patient. Oh. Hi, Powerpuff Girls. What are you doing? Hi, Candace. We're pretending to be doctors, and you're our patient. And we have these doctor kits as well. So tell us, Candace, how many hands do you have? How many hands do I have? Well, do you know? How many hands do I have? 2. Right, I have 2 hands. Okay, next question. How many feet do you have? Ooh. Do you know how many feet I have? 2. Right, I have 1, 2 feet. Okay, next question. Do you need to find 2 more clues? Do I need to find 2 more clues? Well, yeah, actually. 'Cause we're figuring out what I need to feel better. Oh, are you not feeling too good, Candace? No, Bubbles, I got the sniffles. Oh, Well, I hope you get better soon. Thanks, girls. Come on. Let's go find some more Tigger's clues.